Have I told you how much I love my DRZ? Seriously. Seriously. Love it. I've got to stop. Otherwise you'll all go buying DRZs. I'll tell you what, you show me, we should have a DRZ convention at ADV Fest, because I'm bringing this bike, I'm riding it up. I've ridden it up into the New England area a few times. So, that's my DRZ400E. I'll tell you what I've done to it. I have put a wide ratio gearbox. I put these foot pegs on at warp 9s. Yeah. They sort of tilt forward. They're meant to be for the DRZ. I don't know what's going on there. I'll put this other gear lever on it so it sticks out a bit more. It's adjustable. I've put a 440 barrel kit on it. I've gone back to standard sprockets because of the wide ratio gearbox. But if I was going to do a big trip across Australia or out to the middle somewhere, I'd probably go just one or two down on the back, probably just one. I've put an oversized front disc, and then I have this extra clamp they chuck on. I've put a safari tank. I put my spotties, expensive Denali's, really expensive. The problem is when you have these on, if you're riding with other people, they ride behind you and they blind you in your rearview mirrors, so tell them to piss off. I changed the front light. It's got, this is a model that came with the guards. I'll put a fan on the back. I'll put these case covers. I've got racks. I've got my custom screen, look at that. Like on a DRZ, that's a work of art. That's a work of art. I love that screen. You get everything, you can see the ergonomic design I made. Everything just floats over the top of your head. Everything. I've got a steering dampener on it. I've gone back to my big ladies handbag because I couldn't be bothered changing the harness on it today. I've got these case covers, changed my brake lever, got a different seat, got this rack on the back, I've got my racks. I like to run racks on my DRZ. This thing is an absolute beast. Absolute beast. Oh, I've got heated grips as well. You know, I chucked this on this quad lock thing, but I don't have the proper motorbike one, and I went to get one, I couldn't find it. Suspension was done, vinch string. I seriously don't know why I have not been riding this bike more. I absolutely love it. I really do. They're such a good bike, but I just can't get over how easy this is to ride. You know, I'm not managing a big heavy bike, and I always used to take this when I rode on my own, and then I stopped. Now I'm back on it. Absolutely love it. I will never let you down again. I'll never leave you for that long in the garage again, DRZ. They're such a good thing. I absolutely love it. I know there's probably a million guys on the YouTube that have done millions of reviews on them, but maybe not, I don't know. So I'm giving you my honest feedback. I've had it since 2016. So I've had it a while now. Isn't it? Starts, bonus, easy start. this. Front wheel wants to come up. Look at that. The front's starting to lose it a bit in that little bit of sand, and you just whack the throttle on and it pulls straight.